Changing your account details in Levelup. Changing your account details is simple on Levelup. To get started, click on the profile image on the top left corner of the screen. Click on the account ID. You will be redirected to a new page, where you can easily edit vital account information. First up is your profile information. To edit your name, click on the edit icon beside the name. Enter the new name you want to show on your profile. You can also change your password from here. Click on the edit icon beside password. On the page you are redirected to, you will need to enter your existing password and the new password and then hit submit. Next, you can change your subscription information. Want to upgrade or change your plan? Simply click on the arrow icon beside your existing plan. You will be redirected to a page which will have details for all the available plans. Scroll down to check out the features included within the plans. To choose a new plan, click on Select Plan. You can move the toggle on the top right corner of the screen to choose monthly or yearly plans. If you need a customized plan to meet your specific needs, you can get in touch with the Levelup team by clicking on the Custom Plan button. After you select a plan, you will need to enter your credit card details and you will be instantly upgraded to the new plan after the successful payment. To check your billing history and invoice, click on the arrow icon beside Billing History. You will be redirected to a new page, where you will see all the billing details, including the date when you have been billed, the total users you have registered in your plan, the number of active users you have been billed for, and the total amount. Next is the payment details. Here you can check the payment method, the next billing date and the date when the previous payment was made. To check your current card details, or add a new card, click on the arrow icon beside your credit cards. You will be taken a new screen. To add a new credit card, click on Add Card. In the next section, you can check and edit your company details. Click on the edit icon beside Company Details. You will be redirected to a new page, where you will get all the details about your company. You can easily edit the details by clicking on the data fields. Once you are done, click on Save. Next, you can configure your meeting platforms from this section. To set up Microsoft Teams, click on the edit icon. On the pop-up that opens, you need to enter the tenant ID, client secret code and the tenant email address. Similarly, for Zoom meetings, you will need to enter account ID, client secret code. Similarly, you can set up OAuth APIs, but please note that users on the free plan will not have access to the feature. This is how easy it is to view and change account details on Levelup. Do not forget to check out our other tutorial videos to use Levelup platform like a pro.